Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 PC. Whether you find Edge unnecessary or you just prefer using Chrome or Firefox, this guide will help you remove it safely and cleanly without leaving leftovers behind. So let's dive right in. Before you start, make sure you already have another browser installed, like Google Chrome, Brave, or Firefox. You'll need it to browse the web after removing Edge. Now first, let's set your default browser. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Next, click on Apps, then Default Apps. Scroll down and choose Google Chrome or whichever browser you prefer. Now, manually switch all the web-related file types, like .htm, .html, and links from Microsoft Edge to your new browser. This ensures that Windows doesn't try to open anything with Edge after you uninstall it. Once your default browser is set, let's move to the uninstall process. Open your browser and search for Wise Uninstaller. Go to the official site, wisecleaner.com, and download the free version of Wise Program Uninstaller. Install it, then launch the tool once it's ready. Inside Wise Uninstaller, type Microsoft Edge in the search box. When it appears, select it and click Force Uninstall. Confirm with yes and let the tool remove all associated files and registry entries. If it lists Internet Explorer components, uninstall those as well to fully clean things up. Once it's done, restart your computer. And congratulations, Microsoft Edge is now completely removed from your system. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you like a guide on removing other default Windows apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You in